could do at home. Yes, sis, you could do this at home. This is the Kiss Brush On Gel Nail Kit. It comes with 48 nails. It combines between the natural tip and the French tip. You can get 2 full manicures out of it. It's supposed to be extremely easy, and it dries within 5 minutes. And get this, you don't need a UV light to dry the gel. Isn't that great? So the next thing that I purchased was a manicure kit by Kiss. You really don't need this because the brush on kit, it comes with everything that you need in order to achieve the nail look. I just wanted it because, I don't know, I just wanted it, so I just got it, you know? So you don't need it though. Alright, so I'm just gonna get into the pricing real quick because I'm not doing much on this part of the video. So yeah, the brush on gel kit, that's about $10. You can get that for $10 at Target. Don't go to CVS. I went to CVS and I paid $21. They're expensive as heck. So yeah, if you can find it at your local Target, go to Target, sis. And if you're interested in the other, like the manicure kit that I'm showing you right now, that was about $13. I couldn't find it anywhere cheaper for some reason. I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper. Try at Target too, why not? But yeah. Alright, so let's get into what y'all came to this video for, okay? Let's get into the brush on kit. So yeah, I'm just showing you, I'm taking everything out of the pack. And yeah, so it comes on with brush on gel, of course, you know, obvi, right? And then it comes with the activator to, you know, activate the gel. And then it also comes with a brush cleaner, which is like a nail polish remover, like a really light nail polish remover to me, I don't know. And then it comes with a little cuticle pusher, and then a buffer, and then these really long instructions. Alright, so like I mentioned before, there's 48 nails, so there's 24 of the natural tip, and there's 24 of the French tip. So I'm just giving y'all a show of like how they look, and that's how my nose was looking on the first day that I did this. Alright, so I say first day because I decided to do the natural tip rather than the French tip, and then when I did it, I was like, I want to switch it up, do something different, because I've had this kit before and I always do the natural tip. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a clip of what the natural tip looks like. You know, they look cute. I was like, I want to switch it up and do something different. Also, see, this proves that you could get 2 full manicures out of it, just like it said on the box. So yeah, that's how my nails look after I soaked them in acetone. Make sure you soak your nails in acetone if you're trying to remove any acrylics or gel, because like damaging your nail bed is so played out. Alright, so I just take the 100% acetone nail polish remover to remove any oils that might be on my nail. And then I'm gonna go in and push my cuticles back. And then after that, you want to make sure that you like buff out your nails, because you want to remove any type of shine, because if you have shine on your nails, that like the fake nail won't be able to adhere long on your nail. So you know, that's a tip. If you want your nails to be long lasting, make sure you buff them out. So the instruction says you're going to take the brush on gel and you're going to, like, you know, brush it on the tip of the nail tip, whatever one you choose, whether it's the natural or the French tip, and that is going to adhere it, like, you know, that's going to be the adhesive to, you know, putting the tips on. So yeah, just gonna put it on just like that. I got a clip on the selections of regular press-on nails that they had. You know, that's also an option if you want to do something really quick. You could just pop them on and they look like you got them done from the salon. So they even have like the French tip, as you've seen too. So don't forget to like push down the sides of it too, because you want to make sure you don't get any type of air bubbles or gaps or anything, because it'll look crazy and your nail will lift much quicker. when you're taking off your nails, do not do that. Do not do that. The instructions say don't do it, so don't do it. So you're gonna want to just, bend it back and forth like that. Like that. And it's really easier to come off. Yeah, this glue dried within like 5 minutes. Like it said on the box, it dried very quickly, so that's pretty good. So now the instructions tell you to take this brush cleaner and you're basically going to just like slightly graze it around the edge of the French tip. It's supposed to blend the tip with your natural nail, and then as well it like cleans up any like gel that you might have gotten on the nail. So yeah. Then the instructions say that if need be, like if you need to buff out your nail, then do it at this time, but they don't really recommend you to do it. So I'm just kind of buffing out the tip of it, where the little tab was at, because I don't want it to be all pokey, because that be happening with like fake nails sometimes. Like they be having a little, I don't know, if you wear fake nails, you know what I'm talking about. It's like a little pokey, it's like sharp at the end basically. So yeah, you're going to take the gel, right, and you're going to brush it completely on the nail, like a full layer on the nail. And yeah, my gel looked busted because the little cap of it came off. Like, I don't know, the gel got glued shut the first time that I had used it. But it's okay, it was still doable. We still made it work, alright? It's alright. I forgot to mention that the activator does not come with its own brush, so the instructions tell you to use the brush from the brush cleaner for the activator. And while the gel is still wet, you're going to brush the activator on top of the wet gel. And when you're finished, like with each nail, make sure you do this with each nail. When you're finished, dip the activating brush into the brush cleaner to clean off any like mix between the gel and the activator. Because I'm guessing it will make the brush like mad stiff and you'll mess up the activator. The activator is really thick, by the way. Like it's not as liquidy. I thought that it would be like really liquidy. Yeah, so I just put it right into the brush cleaner. I do that like 2 times because I was not playing no games. I did not want to get any ounce of gel into that activator bottle. So yeah. I'm going to follow the same exact steps that I did for my pinky for the rest of my fingers. So I do this process 2 more times. Altogether, I do it 3 times. You don't have to do it 3 times. The instructions only tell you to do it twice. But I wanted to make sure that, it would last longer and it was like strong enough for me. So I do it 3 times. But like I said, the instructions tell you don't have to do it 3 times. They only tell you to do it twice. So like the 3rd time around, you see me dip the gel into the brush cleaner only because I started getting kind of nervous because the brush was being like mad stiff. So I'm thinking like, did I do something wrong? But like the instructions don't even tell you to do that. So I just tried it and see what would happen if it make it easier. So after you follow those steps, you're going to want to take the brush on gel and brush on a final layer of gel. I guess that's supposed to be like the gel top coat, give it that shiny, glossy look. But yeah, that's what you're going to want to do for every nail. So I was trying to show y'all that the brush does get like crusty, so it was hard to brush the gel on for a few of my nails. So just to get rid of that, soak it in some acetone and it should be fine. So this is how it's looking, y'all. This looks really nice. It looks like I went to the nail salon. I can't believe I did this on my own and it was super easy. So there you have it, your DIY nails. It looks like you just went to the salon. So I hope that this was helpful and I hope that you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!